To make our homemade hot chocolate, we're first gonna have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. We're gonna mix that together. And now we're going to gradually whisk in our 2 cups of milk. We want to whisk this so that we can get rid of all those cocoa lumps for our cocoa powder. We want to whisk this until it's heated completely, but we don't want it to really come to a boil. So next we're going to add in 1 ounce of dark chocolate. It's a real dark chocolate bar that I just shredded up. We're going to melt that in. For a nice chocolatey flavor. Now that our chocolate completely melted, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now our hot chocolate is ready. We're going to go serve it and make some fresh whipped cream. So to serve with our hot chocolate, we're gonna make fresh homemade whipped cream. So we have heavy cream and powdered sugar. I'm gonna use a hand mixer. Look at that, perfect whipped cream. So to build our perfect hot chocolate, pour some of the hot chocolate in here. Looks delicious. Some marshmallows. Our homemade whipped cream. A little bit more. Sprinkle with a little cocoa powder. A couple more marshmallows. Look at that. For this recipe and hundreds of others, check out my website at nikkikleckis.com. Cheers.